Man, what a day in the woods today. Just outside of St. John's, or actually inside St. John's. We're at Pippi Park. I can hear the highway in the distance. Oh man, it's a beautiful day out. It's like 2 or 3 degrees. Everything is icy, but with my cleats on, I can make it, my ice grippers. And I just had I'd say a 2-hour walk for sure through the trails around a couple of ponds. And I'm just about to clew up right now and call it a day. I have Rocco out with me. He's really enjoying it. And everything, the birds are singing. Everything is going smooth. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this, and I wish you all a good day.